Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. You can create any shape. Also apply your effects over there. How to create next shape directly with the same effect. So I delete it all. Go to layer, select layer, also turn on appearance as well. Now you can create any shape. Apply your effects over there. This time I apply zigzag. So now just if the layer selected, you can use all shape directly with the same effects. If you want reset, just create new layer and use the default shapes.